Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. In winter season, we want to have some fried stuff with a cup of tea. So today I am making boneless fried chicken for you. And to make it, here I have boneless chicken, 2 pounds. Make pieces of 2 inches. Black pepper powder, half teaspoon. Cayenne pepper, half teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Juice of half lemon. And mustard paste, 1 tablespoon. I will marinate chicken with all these things for 2 to 3 hours. Then we will make a paste and add it to the chicken and fry it. So let's start marinating the chicken with Bismillah. First I will add lemon to the chicken. Then black pepper, oil, cayenne pepper, salt and mustard paste. Mix it and keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, chicken is marinated for 3 hours. Now I am making a paste to add in the chicken, and to make it I have corn flour 2 tablespoons, all-purpose flour unbleached 4 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, white pepper half teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1 teaspoon, and water 80 ml. Let's make it and add in the chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, paste is ready. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in it. Chicken crumb will be more crispy with the help of baking powder, inshallah. Now add paste in the chicken. Mix it very well. If you think batter is thin a little bit, so add some all-purpose flour in it, and if batter is very thick, then add some water in it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think the batter is a little bit thin, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in it. It should be thick like this. Now it is ready for frying. Alhamdulillah. If you make chicken in the morning and want to fry it in the evening, you can keep it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. Its taste and texture will be the same, inshallah. There are a lot of noises here in New York, as you can hear in the background. So let's fry my chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, boneless fried chicken is ready. And to get the recipes of both fried chicken and fries, please go to my YouTube channel, my food cart, subscribe and comment. Also follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.